Good morning, everyone, class. Welcome after your summer vacation. Now it's the time to study. Very few months left for your final examination. So, class, you have to get ready. Whatever you have done before holidays, it's okay. Now you have to inculcate again. You have to revise again, and you have to be very punctual. So, I have a great expectation from you people. You all know that. So class, let's start with it. Now today I have chosen this topic, that is quadratic equation, that we were doing before holidays. Now class, what we need to do, we will revise in these 2-3 days. We will revise whatever we have done in quadratic equation. After that after that we will do the last exercise, then the new chapter. So I have taken these two topics today, that is uh, exercise 4.1 and 4.2. So first of all, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is, you can say, it is a polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So where a never equals to 0, because if a will be equals to 0, then it will become a linear equation. So x square term should be there. If x term is not there, constant term is not there, no problem, but x square term should be there. So for the introduction, this exercise was there to check the following are quadratic equation or not. So you have to solve both the sides and you have to form a single equation, and then you have to check whether x square term is there or not. If x square term is there, then it is a quadratic equation. Highest power should be 2. It is not like that if x cube term is also there and x square term is also there. My question is, the polynomial with degree 2 is a quadratic equation. Now class, what you need to do in this, as you have you can see that in screen, that they have solved this equation and finally it is x square plus 7. So x square term is there, so it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is a quadratic equation. Similarly the next. So this we have already done, so just introduction. In this we have to form a quadratic equation by using a single variable. So class, you can see that the first one, area of rectangular plot is 528. The length of the plot is one more than the twice of its breadth. So length is depending on the breadth, so we will consider the breadth first, that is x. Then the length will become one more than the twice of the breadth, that is 2x plus 1. And finally the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we will get this equation. You can see that in the screen, 528 is equals to x into 2x plus 1. So similarly, after that solving, 2x square plus x minus 528 is coming, so that is a quadratic equation. Similarly, we have to go with the other question also. So this you revise today. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is 4.2. This is totally based on splitting middle term, that is factorization method. I have told you my method also, some of you follow your method also, so that's your wish completely. That's not a problem at all. You have to just solve by your method or by my method. So here is the first question, x square minus 3x minus 10. So the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is minus 10. So on multiplying, it is coming as minus 10. So we have to factorize 3x, as such their product should come minus 10. So they have taken minus 5x plus 2x. After that, taking common from x square and 5x, taking common from 2x and minus 10, finally you form this equation. At last, x minus 5, you have to put zeros to get the roots. So we will get x is equals to 5. X plus 2 is equals to 0, we will get x is equals to minus 2. So that's it. So class, you have to go with this. Now these are the word problems. The first word problem is John and Javanti together have 45 marbles. So if John is having x, Javanti will be having 45 minus x. both of them lost 5 marble each. After losing, the product of the marble they are having now is 124. How many marble they have in starting? So in starting they have x and 45 minus x, but later on when it is lost, you can see that the number of marble now John is having is x minus 5, number of marble Jivanti is having is 45 minus x minus 5, that is 40 minus x. Now the new number they are having is x minus 5 and 40 minus x. The product of these two, as according to the question, it is given that 124. So multiplying and solving, finally you will get the answer. So similarly you have to do the other part also, second part also. So class, till here you have to revise and you have to do that in your practice notebook, and you have to send it to me tomorrow. Today you just study, and within this hour, whatever time is given to you, you have to go with it, and within this time only you will ask the question and whatever you have to ask. That's all class.